politicians' initiative. Kung sino yung mga politiko na nasa likuran na nagpapatakbo nitong People's Initiative kuno. So, very clear yan, Mr. President. At yung pangalawang sinabi mo, Mr. President, na natural ba na gamitin yung pondo ng bayan katulad ng AX, pondo ng gobyerno to entice these people to vote or to sign, to get their signature? Ay, yun po, Mr. President, ay lantarang vote buying kung tutuusin. Vote buying po talaga yan. Dahil, these people are enticed to give their signature in exchange of the money that is being offered to them through the government programs and services like AX, TUPAD, and what other